Good day everyone, my name is Nicole and Anak Neculas Mawan and I am a final year student from Faculty of Computer Science and Information Technology taking Software Engineering. And today I'm going to present my final year project titled the BookaPong app, a smart reservation system for Ping Pong Center under the supervision of Madam Ling Yeong. For your information, BookaPong app is an integrated mobile and IoT-based solution designed to transform how ping pong facilities manage bookings and provide access to their customers. Over the next 13 minutes, I'll walk you through the problem this system solves, how it works, and why it matters. Alright, let me start by explaining the real-world problem that inspired this project. Imagine you want to play a ping pong this weekend, and here's what typically happens at most small ping pong centers today. First, you try to make a booking, maybe via WhatsApp, phone call, or even a handwritten book at the center. Then you wait, sometimes even for hours, and hoping to get a reply that confirms whether your preferred slot is actually available. When you finally get confirmation, there's still a significant chance of double booking because everything is recorded manually, often with human error. For example, on game day, you arrive at the center and have to wait again, this time for staff to locate the physical key and manually open the room for you. Add to that other challenges such as cash handling issues, problems with no-shows, who don't pay, and extremely high administrative workload for facility owners who must manage everything manually. This is still the reality of many small ping pong centers across Malaysia today, even in 2026. Meanwhile, our government is actively pushing My Digital Transformation initiative, encouraging businesses to adopt digital solutions everywhere. There's a clear mismatch between available technology and how these small sports facilities actually operate, and that's exactly the problem I wanted to solve with BookaPong. Under the guidance of Madam Ling Yeong, I established 3 clear objectives for this project. So for Objective 1, to design and develop an integrated system that combines mobile applications technology with Internet of Things device for automated access control at ping pong facilities. Objective 2, to build a complete end-to-end workflow that covers the entire customer journey, from real-time bookings and availability checking through secure digital payment processing to receiving a temporary access code, and finally achieving self-service entry into book facility. And for my Objective 3, to evaluate and validate the system's usability, reliability, and efficiency through user testings and feedback, ensuring it actually solved the identified problems effectively. My goal was straightforward: create a prototype that makes the whole booking and access experience digital, automatic, and seamless, which eliminates the need for waiting, reducing confusion, and removing dependency on staff availability. Alright, before developing BookaPong app, I conducted extensive literature review to understand what solutions exist in the market. So here what I had discovered. Firstly, manual booking system. They are still widely used in Malaysia. However, they are full of human errors, extremely inefficient, time-consuming, and frustrating for both users trying to book and owners trying to manage their facilities. Secondly, we have the generic online booking platform. Yes, they exist. They allow customers to book sports courts online through website or apps. However, the digital experience just stops right there at the booking stage. Customers still need to meet staff members physically at the faculty to gain access. The critical gap between digital booking and physical access remains unsolved. Thirdly, we have the standalone smart lock systems. These IoT devices do exist in the market, however, they operate independently. They don't know whether the person at the door has actually booked their booking or whether it's even the scheduled time slot. They're just logs that can be opened remotely with codes, with no integration to booking or payment system. Through my research, I identified three main gaps, which is the first one, no true end-to-end integration that seamlessly connects booking, payment verification, and access control in one unified system. Secondly, access control mechanisms are not properly tied to verified payments facility transactions, creating potential security tasks and revenue leakage for facilities owner. Thirdly, almost nothing has been specifically designed for ping-pong facilities, which have unique operational requirements like short sessions durations, multiple rooms, and high turnover rates. Basically, nothing in the market really connects booking management, verified payment processing, and automatic door access control in one seamless integrated flow, especially not optimized for small private ping-pong rooms. That was the significant gap I decided to address with this project. Now, let me walk you through exactly how BookaPong works in a real-world scenario. So, step 1, check time availability. Users open the BookaPong mobile application and can instantly see which rooms are currently available, which are occupied, and which have upcoming bookings. All information updates in real time, so there's no more calling back and forth, no more waiting for staff to check manually, and no more uncertainty about availability. Step 2. Select your slot and pay digitally. Once users find their preferred time, they simply select the room and the time slot they want. The app then prompts them to complete payment securely through a payment gateway. This is a critical feature. Only confirmed, verified payments create actual bookings in the system. This design eliminates the common problem of no-shows who book but never pay or show up. Step 3. Get instant confirmation with unique access code. So immediately after successful payment, the system automatically generates a temporary unique 6-digit code. This code is specifically valid only for that particular user book time slot and assigned room. It won't work before or after the scheduled time, and it won't open any other room. The user receives this code instantly on their mobile phone along with booking confirmation details. And step 4, arrive at the center and enter your code. When users arrive at the ping-pong center at their scheduled time, they will find a small keypad installed outside their book room. They simply enter their 6-digit access code on this keypad, and no need to find staff, no need to call anyone, no need to wait for anyone to bring a physical key. And last but not least, step 5, door unlocks automatically. Here's what the IoT integration happens. The keypad device immediately communicates with the cloud backend system in real time. Within seconds, the system verifies multiple things. Is this code valid? Is this correct time slot? Has payment been confirmed? Is this the right room? If all verifications pass successfully, the electronic lock receives the unlock command. The door opens automatically for 15 seconds, a green indicator light appears, and the user simply walks in to enjoy their game. The result? No staff required at the door, no waiting time, no physical key management, no confusion. This one seamless integrated flow removes almost all the pain points I identified earlier, creating a benefit for both players seeking convenience and facility owners seeking inefficiency. So this is basically how it all connects together. From a technical architecture perspective, BookaPong consists of 3 main components that work together seamlessly. So the first layer, the mobile application. This is built using Flutter framework, which provides excellent cross-platform compatibility for both Android and iOS devices. The mobile app handles the user interface, booking management workflows, real-time availability display, and integration with payment gateways for secure transactions. So the second layer is the cloud backend system. So the backend is powered by Firebase and the Google's comprehensive cloud platform. Firebase provides real-time data synchronization, ensuring that booking data updates instantly across all devices. It also manages user authentication and security, booking validation logic, temporary access code generation with time-based expiration, and ensures all data remains secure while being accessible from anywhere with internet connectivity. So we have the third layer, which is the IoT hardware device. So this consists of an ESP32 microcontroller connected to a keypad for code entry and electronic solenoid lock mechanism. This device is physically installed at each room entrance. It maintains constant communication with the cloud backend to verify access codes in real time whenever someone attempts entry. So here's how this three layers works together in practice. When you use the mobile app, it communicates with the secure cloud backend system. The cloud validates all your information, processes your payments, generates your unique code, and keeps all data synchronized in real time. When you arrive and enter your code at the door, the ESP32 device sends that code to the cloud for immediate verification. The cloud checks everything, where it involves the code validity, timing, payment status, room assignment, and response will happen within seconds. If verification succeeds, the cloud sends the unlock command back to the device and your door is opened. Everything is connected securely over the internet using encrypted communications, making the entire system both reliable and scalable for future expansion. So why does BookaPong actually matter? Who benefits from these systems? So the first one that benefits from the systems are players and customers. Users enjoy a fast and convenient booking experience with complete transparency. They can see real-time availability anytime, anywhere, and there's no more waiting for replies or dealing with uncertainty about whether their booking is confirmed. They gain complete self-service access to facilities without depending on staff schedules. Secondly, it benefits those facility owners and operators. So owners experience dramatically reduced administrative workload. No more managing phone calls, WhatsApp messages, or handwritten logbooks. They gain better security and control over their facilities with automatic digital audit trails. The system provides automatic digital records for every single transaction, making accounting and reporting much simpler. It also effectively prevents double bookings and significantly reduces revenue loss from no-shows. Next, benefits for Malaysia digital economy. BookaPong directly supports the government, My Digital Initiative, and national digitalization goals. It demonstrates how small and medium sports facilities can successfully embrace digital transformation. Most importantly, it proved that affordable, accessible technology can genuinely modernize traditional small businesses without requiring massive investment. For validation, I conducted a survey with 50 potential users and the results were highly encouraging. 92% of respondents indicated they would strongly prefer this digital automated system over traditional manual booking methods. This strong user preference validates that BookaPong addresses a genuine market need and solves real problems that users currently face. So in conclusion, BookaPong demonstrates that even small sport facilities can become smart, modern and user-friendly by leveraging affordable and accessible technology. While this is currently a prototype system, it successfully proved that this concept works effectively and addresses a real, validated market need. Thank you for watching, and I would like to express my sincere gratitude to my project supervisor, Madam Ling, and for her invaluable guidance and support throughout this entire project. I would like to also thank my family, friends, my partner, and all 50 survey respondents who took the time to provide feedback that helped validate and improve this system. So in conclusion, BookaPong demonstrates that even small sport facilities can become smart, modern and user-friendly by leveraging affordable and accessible technology. While this is currently a prototype system, it successfully proved that this concept works effectively and addresses a real, validated market need. Thank you for watching, and I would like to express my sincere gratitude to my project supervisor, Madam Ling, and for her invaluable guidance and support throughout this entire project. I would like to also thank my family, friends, my partner, and all 50 survey respondents who took the time to provide feedback that helped validate and improve this system.